In this video I'm going to show you how you can sign into your YouTube account on any smart TV. Once you load up YouTube here, I'm just going to load up the YouTube app. It should look like this. Now once you have it loaded, then at the top you will see a button that says sign in. Once you click on sign in here, it might load your accounts and let you choose one. If it doesn't, then you also have the option of watching as a guest or adding an account directly. Once you click on add account, then it is gonna show you an option to sign in with your phone, and to the right it's going to display a QR code which you can scan with your phone to log in directly, or you are also given the option of signing in with your remote. So once you click on sign in with your remote, then what this is going to do is load up the Google sign in form. Here you can log in using your email or phone. Then it's going to ask for your password. Once you put in your password, then it's going to sign you into your YouTube account, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.